Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. The chapter is Penguins at Play, chapter 2, and the book is New Radiant Reader. Okay, in my last video I already started teaching this chapter. Okay, let me recap it. Okay, I told you about the habits of penguin. With the approach of summer, the ice melts and the large companies of penguins went down to bath and to swim. I also told you that the penguins never dived in alone because a dangerous seal called a sea leopard often hid in the water. Now, today I am going to start from this paragraph. Okay, this paragraph. Soon the water was alive. Soon the water was alive with crowds of penguins swinging about and shouting at one another. Okay, now soon many penguins are there. They were all swimming and they were all shouting at one another like boys at school. Okay, what do the boys at school do? They shout at each other, they play with each other. In the same way, the penguins are also shouting at each other and playing. The water swarmed with them, all full of joy of life. Means all the penguins are full of joy. They did not go in merely to fish. They wanted to enjoy themselves. Okay, now what the penguins wanted to do, they wanted to enjoy themselves, and the games they played were really amazing. Okay, they played a games. There was a swift right flowing past the rookery, bringing with it rafts of ice called ice floes. Crowd of penguins would swim upstream to the end of the rookery. Look, they used to swim upstream to the end of the rookery, where they would all board an ice floe. They would all board an ice floe and have a ride on it down to the lower end. From upper end to lower end, they used to ride here and there, and they used to enjoy it. They would then dive into the water, swim all the way back. They used to swim all the way back aboard another floe for another joyride. Okay, this is just a joyride for them. As they pass down the rookery, they would shout to other crowded, okay, along the edge of the ice. They would shout back, and sometimes a few dozen would dive in and swim out to them. They boarded their ice raft until it was so crowded that as fast as fresh penguins climbed onto it, others were pushed up the other side. Along the ice foot, all sort of games are played. They used to play many type of varieties games. Okay, their favorite seemed to be the game of touch. And what was their favorite game? The game of the touch last. Okay, this is their favorite game of the touch last. Okay, now the one penguin would walk up to another, give him a smack with his flipper. Okay, these are the flipper. With the flipper, they used to just push another, dash in amongst the crowd, dodging about with the other in her pursuit. If the second penguin caught the first, okay, if the second penguin caught the first, she would give him a quite good humored smack. Okay, humor smack in return. They would play the games for hours, and for hours, these penguins, they used to play the games. They seem to love climbing, and what do they love? They loved climbing. Okay, they seem to be loved climbing. There's a grounded iceberg 50 feet high separated from the rookery. Okay, grounded iceberg 50 feet high separated from the rookery by a few hundred years of open water. All day long there was a procession of penguins. Okay, all day long there was a procession of penguins swimming to and fro. We watched them. We means the narrator, Captain Scott and others. Okay, they watched the penguins through field glasses. Through what? Through field glasses, they watched the penguins. When they reached the berth, they climbed up its side by a quite a difficult path. It took them about a quarter of an hour of laborious climbing to get to the top. Okay, to get to the top, how much time is needed? Quarter of an hour. Each bird had a look around, then climbed down again and swam back to the rookery. They climbed and then again swam back to the rookery. They did it because they loved climbing. Okay, and why did they do it? Because they loved climbing. Okay, so in this chapter, it is told about the penguin, their habits, how they played, okay, and how they enjoyed their life. Okay, clear about the whole penguin is given. And in my next video, I am going to give you the question pattern. Okay, until then, goodbye.